Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung phone or tablet is signed in to Samsung and Google accounts. This links device services. Open the Galaxy Store or Play Store, find YouTube, and update or install it now. Updates unlock subscription flows. Make sure a valid payment method is added to your Google account or ready for Samsung/carrier billing, because you'll choose billing during activation. Once done, reopen YouTube and proceed to the subscription screen. This step lets the app detect device offers. Tap your profile in the YouTube app, then choose Get YouTube Premium or Paid Memberships to begin. This opens the purchase flow tied to your Google account. Select the correct plan, individual, family, or student, and check the price and any trial period. Make sure family members are added if you pick family. Next, pick your billing method: Google Play, Samsung Billing, Carrier Billing, or PayPal. Choose carefully since refunds and trials differ. After selection, follow on-screen prompts to authorize payment and complete verification. Finish by confirming the charge and looking for the YouTube Premium badge under your profile. You should see benefits like ad-free video and background play immediately. If you don't, force close the app, sign out and back in, or reboot the device. This refreshes licenses. Make sure you use the same Google account that purchased Premium and that your region supports the plan. If problems persist, clear the YouTube app cache or switch billing method. This often resolves verification or carrier billing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.